from this to this. Stay with us and we'll show you guys how to fix that in just a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a car that somebody keyed, okay, scratch the paint with the key guys, or you have a scratch on your paint, we'll show you guys how to fix that, how to make it look like it never happened again. Make sure guys you stay with us until the end. We'll show you how to do that. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let me show you guys, okay, what we'll be doing now. This Ford Focus here guys, it's a 2012 Ford Focus, and it looks like somebody guys, okay, somebody keyed the fender, and I'm going to show you here in just a second, okay, what I'm talking about. Okay, let me focus. Check this scratch here now guys. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see it clearly. Okay, this scratch right here guys, it goes all the way, okay, all the way to the front, right? So how we guys fix that thing, okay, and we can make that thing look like it never happened again guys. How? Pretty simple. Now that scratch guys right here, okay, you have two possibilities. One is that the scratch is not too deep, which means that it scratched the paint. Okay, I'm trying to focus here, but it's really hard to focus that light. One of the possibilities guys, okay, is for the scratch, okay, not to be too deep, okay, to where it went through the paint. Okay, it scratched the top layer of the clear coat, but it didn't go through the paint, which means that you do not see the primer or the metal underneath. If you guys see the primer metal, okay, looking kind of like that where you're missing paint, there is a different method, and we have the video on the channel. It's called how to repair, how to fix deep scratch, because you need to use actual paint, you need to use clear coat, and you will be blending it together. This one, it didn't go through the fender guys, okay, but through the paint, but we'll explain guys, okay, how to fix that in just a second. Not very complicated at all. All we are going to need now guys, okay, you need to get some water, okay, just clean water like that. After that, you're going to get 2000 sandpaper guys. 2000 sandpaper, you dip it in water, okay, and you're going to, okay, sand around the scratch and the scratch itself back and forth. Do not go in circle. Now it's important not to go for too long. Okay, why? Because guys, you can go through your clear coat. Okay, so you have to be, okay, you have to be careful. Just scratch a little bit, stop, check on it, and go again guys, because if you go too much, okay, you go through your clear coat, and what will happen, you will not be able to restore it, and you have to repaint that panel. Now when it dries, we will have no shine at all, but that's okay guys, you see why. Okay, I think this is ready. What I'll do, I'm going to rinse it off now. Okay, just rinse it off quick. Okay, here we have a little bit on top, so let me get that one as well. Okay, rinse it again, and we'll see, okay, what it looks like after that. So I will get a microfiber towel, dry everything, and you will see that the paint will look terrible now. It will not be shiny, but that's fine. We will bring that shine in a little bit. So you can see how it turned glossy, right? But don't worry guys, it'll come back. You'll get even shinier. You can see the scratch is still here. You can practically sand just a little bit more, but don't try to get the whole thing out. What we're doing that way guys, we're minimizing, okay, that scratch, and we'll blend the paint, the clear coat, and it should become invisible. So what we'll be using now guys, okay, scratch repair and renew. Okay, this removes scratches, paint transfer and swirl marks. I have a polishing pad. You can get a buffing pad and then a polishing pad for even better results, but I'll attempt to do it with just one. If you don't have the machine, you can do it by hand. It'll just take you a little bit longer. You have to buff everything by hand. So this is the machine here now guys, and what I'll be doing now, I'll apply a thin layer, okay, on that area, okay, right here, and we'll see if that will be gone. Now that scratch right here, okay, I can barely feel that thing with my fingers, so it's not here now. Let me show you, okay, what we'll be doing. thin layer of that one. We're going to spread it here and then we're going to buff it. Again, you can do that by hand if you need to. Just put a generous amount. Okay, a little bit down here. We have a scratch. Okay, perfect. Now, that guys, polisher I recommend. We'll have all the tools and parts that we use listed in the description of the video below. This is the one with the variable speed that you can adjust the speed. This is very good quality, guys, because you can adjust the speed and that way you can go at certain RPMs. Never stay at one spot for too long. Why? Because if you do, you can, guys, melt your paint and that will be not fixable. You have to repaint the surface, guys. So do not stay at one spot for too long. We're going to plug it in and I will buff it at about 1900 to 2000 RPMs. Okay, let me show you now. So what I'll do, I'll apply a little bit more, guys. Okay, second coat. It's very important that you do that at least twice. Okay, let's see now. Next, guys, we'll be using Glossworks. This one makes things super shiny, guys, and it even removes finer scratches. Now, if you guys want to achieve even better results, you can use a cutting pad. Okay, it's different than the polishing pad. Polishing pad is not as effective. It's more like to bring shine out of the paint, but it's up to you guys, depending if you have one or not. You can do it just with the polishing pad, but it will take you a little bit longer. So we'll apply a thin amount of that wax now, and again, guys, we're going to go at about 1900 RPMs, okay, on that fender, and we'll see, okay, if that will take care of the problem now. So let's do that now. Okay, so we are going to wipe everything quick. Okay, now we are going to move back so I can get a little bit of light, and you can see, guys, okay, that scratch practically, guys, completely gone. Okay, this is reflection of the wire outside. You can see now it's gone. So you can see, guys, that's how you remove scratch by key on your vehicle. At certain angles you may notice a little bit, but practically almost impossible, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys having that problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.